how to use GearUp Booster speed up mobile games. In this video, I'll show you how to use GearUp Booster on your mobile device. So to get started, go ahead and open the GearUp Booster app on your device. Head over into the Boost section, and in here, go ahead and click on the game that you want to boost. So you need to open the game on this application to be able to use GearUp Booster on that specific application or game. So as you can see, you can also use GearUp Booster on Discord. So you can simply open Discord by clicking on the open button at the right side of your screen on GearUp Booster to use GearUp Booster on Discord. So you'll need to basically subscribe to one of GearUp Booster's plan to be able to use their services. And that is how you can basically use GearUp Booster.